Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create auto caption in KineMaster. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my KineMaster application and I'm going to activate auto caption for this video. If you want to activate the auto caption, we just need to tap on our video until the video is active. As you can see by the outline that the video is active, and then we can go to this menu. You can scroll down until you find the auto caption feature, this one. Click on the auto captions, and then we have to download a language. We can click on get plugin. Okay, and you can choose the language of your video, and since my video is in English language, so I'm going to select English. Okay, I'm going to download the English language. Okay, and we need to wait until the English language has been downloaded. I think it will take a long time guys, so I'll be right back. I'm going to pause my video until this caption has been downloaded. Now the English caption has been downloaded and I'm going to use it to create auto caption for my video. I'm going to click on generate. Okay, and we just need to wait until the generating process completed. Okay, and now the auto caption has been created and this is the final result. I'm going to play the video to show you. Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to... And you can adjust the position of the caption like this. You can also change the font if you want. And you can customize it as you like. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create auto caption in KineMaster. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.